Hello guys, welcome to Ejala Crypto again. Today in this video I'm going to talk about the Hexicans, and throughout this video, although the content of this video is not a financial advice in any way, however this is a suggestion or the way I look at matters or look at things at the moment, due to the fact that the price of X has been crashing for the past I think 2 months or so now, or more. So I feel I'm going to do this video for Hexicans to come and watch and take some 2 cents out of it. This is like my 2 cents for them, to advise, just my advice for the Hexicans. You know, the Hexicans are so important for the Richard Hart project ecosystem, because they were the one who onboarded a lot of people into the project, so that we have Pulsecans and even Pulsexicans today. So everything that we have today in the Pulsechain ecosystem was kind of created by these guys in the X project. So but at the moment things are not really going well, so basically I'll just jump directly to the chart on TradingView. So I will go to TradingView. Here on TradingView you can see things are actually not looking good in my own opinion, because I remember I did a video. Let me just show you some insight that some guys have done on X some days ago. So on TradingView, this is a chart by someone here. Let me just click on this so you look at it together. Look at this. This is the long bull chart or trend chart of X over the years since 2021, last year. From November 2021 when it peaked, then there was a serious what was it called, drop down to, I think it was to its all-time low. So from there the trend line has been consistent, and this wonderful project X has been consistent with this trend line. But unfortunately, if you look at this point, according to what the technical analysis this guy did on the chart, the trend line has been broken. For those who understand technical analysis, you understand when a trend line is broken, it means that to some extent there's going to be a long-term distribution before there will be a huge move upside. So this is a bad sign for a lot of investors, for the fact that for the first time the trend line was broken. So let's look at the other guys' analysis before I go directly to the chart myself. I don't know why it's slow, but I'm trying to see if it can. I don't know why it's very slow here. Let me reload and see if it's gonna be faster. Okay, so let's check this guy's analysis out. This was a day ago, which is yesterday. Was it a day ago? I'm saying February 7. Yeah. So look at this analysis. If you look at it, I did a certain chart of this similar chart. I did some diagrams to show some of the possible bounce positions. But if you look at this chart, you can see that from the all-time high here, which is around 5 cents or 50 cents, around 50 cents. So you can see it came down to this point around 11 cents here. Then it bounces up following the trend line, but unfortunately, as we speak today, the trend line is broken. That's what you can see here. This is the weekly chart. If I go to the monthly chart, this is the monthly chart. So it's not looking good at all as it is at all. So but this does not mean that it's over, and this is why I'm doing this video. So because I know a lot of Hexicans onboarded a lot of people into this project, and for a lot of people who have invested in who have sacrificed for Pulsechain and Pulsex, if not for the publicity the Hexicans gave the project, a lot of us may not even hear about Pulsechain or Pulsex. So now, when the Hexicans onboarded a lot of people into Pulsechain and Pulsex sacrifice, there are others who were also encouraged to invest in X, given the fact that it's a store of value. A lot of people bought around this place $0.5, and a lot of people bought at this place around $0.3. But everyone who has bought since when it peaked at $0.5 are in loss. That is basically what this place is saying. So although when I was doing my TA some days ago, I saw the MACD trying to cross over upward, which shows that there's going to be a bounce. Maybe we're going to have a bounce around 0.09. So this is what will likely play out. And one thing I want to advise, this is not a financial advice, it's just an educational advice. So one thing I want to tell some Hexicans is that, you see, investment in cryptocurrency or any asset it's a financial investment, and you cannot control what other people do with their money. Okay, yeah, people can sell at any point, take their profit at any point in time. You cannot believe that, okay, because these guys are part of the group of the Hex group, so automatically they shouldn't sell. No, that's not how it works. The reason why they invested in the project is because they want to make money. So, and they are the one who knows how they want to spend their money, how they want to use it or not use it. So that is basically how I see investment and cryptocurrency all the time. So you don't need to fight with anybody in terms of why did they sell, why are these people selling. These guys have put their money in from day one, and they've delayed gratitude for such a long time. So a lot of them are taking profit because that's what it means. That's what this chart is saying. It's a market circle. If you have seen the basic market circle image, it's a market circle. It goes up, then a lot of people take profit, then it comes to its lowest point. I don't know where this is going to bounce up back seriously. Remember that everyone is expecting Pulsechain and Pulsex, so the attention is shifting a little bit at the moment to the Pulsechain and Pulsex tokens. So it is not strange to see this kind of move on the coin. Okay, so what I can encourage everyone to do is just keep calm. If at this point you are just selling, you may be selling at a loss. So what you can do is, just like a lot of people are doing, buying Hex to get a copy on Pulsechain so that they can swap it for Pulsechain. That's also good. But also remember that X is an inflationary coin that delays gratitude, or helps one to be able to delay expectation or gratitude for a longer time, so that one can gain a lot. But the sentiment might have changed in the market. So just like big guys in the trading world says that you wait for the market to give you confirmation. You don't force the market to follow the direction you want the market to go. You follow whatever direction the market turns to. So at the moment, X is in bearish. It's actually moving bearish, and you have to admit that this is what is currently happening. Then your financial decision you want to make, you make it based on what is here at the moment. So, but if you want to play safe, you don't want to do anything, you may just ignore Hex for now. Yes, and just focus on other things. You can go and read more about technical analysis. You can do more reading about blockchain, read more about fundamental analysis, get busy, get something done, so that these charts, as scary as it may look, will not cause you distraction. You won't lose your joy. And I don't expect anybody to have borrowed money to invest into this kind of asset or this kind of project, because cryptocurrency is a high risk investment, and I don't expect anyone to go ahead and borrow loan or something to invest in it. So we want to trade cautiously, we want to be patient. Definitely the market will bounce back, but nobody knows where it's going to bounce back from. There are a lot of factors affecting this market of X at the moment in time, which you may not be able to 100% know. But my own 2 cents for everyone is that, you see, you have to be calm. You have to know that this is cryptocurrency. You have to know that when you invest in a cryptocurrency project, it might not go up in spite of the promises that it's going to go up. Okay, that's how it works. You have to admit that, except you want to just admit that okay, it will always continue to go up, which is not possible. Even Bitcoin has this time when he had to retrace back before he moved up again. So if you feel you want to DCA, you can continue to DCA into it. I'm not giving you any advice, financial advice. It's your own personal opinion or personal decision based on your research, but you have to be very, very careful. Okay, focus on learning, focus on building, focus on waiting for Pulsechain and Pulsex. There you can recover a lot of your money more if you have lost some in Hex here. So I wish you all the best. This is all I want to talk about. This is the 2 cents I have for all Hexicans. So if you enjoy content like this, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you another time. Thank you.